how to work on you when a mood against someone or for someone arises in you. Only a person who has achieved that state can tell this great word, let you be centered on you, let you go to the source of the emotion from where it arises, it came. Whether you are suppressing or expressing, the other becomes important. Understand one more thing. There are some people who are teaching you, don't express the anger. Express compassion. Visualize love and compassion. Again, the other person is the center. Some people teaching, don't express anger or compassion. Just suppress. Control. Again, in your inner world, you will be remembering the other person, because suppression means the other is there. Here, Shiva is not teaching you to show compassion, or he is not teaching you to suppress. He is just teaching you, just turn the whole direction. Attend the anger, handle the anger as an energy. Don't bother about the reason or the person. Neither bother about the reason or the goal towards which it is arising, it is raising, it is coming out. Drop both and just turn towards the energy. Handle the anger as an energy, not as an emotion. Not just as an emotion. If you handle it as an emotion, you will try to correct the reason and try to change it as a compassion. No. If you try to handle from the angle of the person, you will try to suppress without pouring on him. Again the difficulty. No. Neither reason nor person. He is asking you to handle the emotion as an energy, anger as an energy. Go to the source from where that energy came out. Suddenly you will see you are centered and you are not moved by any of these emotions. You are not moved any of these thoughts. You are not moved any of these samskaras, engraved memories. First thing and last thing which you need to remember is, other should not have any place in your inner space. Relax from other. Relax, unclutch from other. Understand, whether it is a mood for someone or against someone, your so-called love or so-called anger. One more thing, even your love is not worthy of expression. Understand? People ask me, Swamiji, should I not express my love also? Be very clear, your love is not so worthy. Just turn towards the source, you will radiate love without even remembering or thinking that you are having love. If you think you have love, be very clear, it is not love. Love or compassion or enlightenment will happen, you will not even be aware that you have love. Innocent means you will not even be aware you are innocent. The fellows who are thinking that they are innocent are the most crooked guys. No, really. They will be the most cunning. I always tell people, when you become enlightened, you will not even remember you are enlightened or not. You will not even have an idea you are enlightened or not. You will not have doubt whether you are enlightened or not. Same way you will not have the idea you are enlightened or not. You will just be. The fellows who are thinking, I am loving, I am radiating love, I am radiating compassion, they will have plastic smile, ugly, dirty.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.